Hello, today we will guide you through how to install and uninstall Warp Cloudflare. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using the Windows control panel to remove Cloudflare Warp from your computer. This is a straightforward process, and following it carefully will help make sure the program is properly uninstalled. To begin, go to your Windows search. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or by clicking the search bar at the bottom of your screen. This search function is the quickest way to access system tools without having to browse through multiple menus. Once the search is open, type in Control Panel. As you type, Windows should begin showing matching results. Control Panel is the built-in area where you can manage many settings and installed programs on your device, so this is where we need to go next. When Control Panel appears in the search results, click on it to open it. If your system takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. After it opens, you'll see a range of options for adjusting system settings and managing software. From inside Control Panel, look for the option labeled Uninstall a program. This is usually located under the Programs section. Click on it to open the full list of applications currently installed on your computer. This page is helpful because it gives you a central place to view, sort, and remove software you no longer need. Now scan through the list and look for Cloudflare. In some cases, it may appear as Cloudflare Warp, depending on the version installed on your device. If the list is long, take your time and read through it carefully so you select the correct program. It can also help to click the name column to sort the list alphabetically, making the app easier to find. Once you've located Cloudflare, right-click on it and select Uninstall. This will launch the uninstall process. Your computer may ask for permission to continue, so if a confirmation window appears, simply approve it to move forward, then follow any on-screen prompts until the removal is complete. After the uninstall finishes, it's often a good idea to wait a few moments and confirm that the program has disappeared from the installed apps list. If needed, restarting your computer can help finalize the removal. That's it. You've successfully gone through the process to uninstall Cloudflare Warp using Control Panel on Windows.